Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with Bajaj Finance customer care. For immediate assistance, the quickest way is to call their dedicated helpline. Make sure you have your customer ID or loan account number handy, as you'll need it for verification. Simply dial the number and follow the automated voice prompts to navigate to the specific department that can best assist you with your query. Beyond phone calls, Bajaj Finance offers robust online support. Their official website provides a range of self-service tools, allowing you to find answers to common questions. You can also log into your customer portal to manage your accounts, view statements, and submit specific service requests directly. For more detailed inquiries, sending an email to their official support address is an effective way to get a written response. If you prefer face-to-face interaction, visiting a Bajaj Finance branch is a great option. You can easily find your nearest branch location using the Branch Finder tool on their official website. Additionally, for quick questions or general information, their official social media channels can be quite responsive. Many customers find this a convenient way to get updates or direct simple queries to the support team. If your issue remains unresolved through standard channels, Bajaj Finance has a formal grievance redressal process. You can escalate your complaint by submitting it through their customer service portal or by sending a detailed email to their designated grievance email address. This ensures your concern receives higher-level attention. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Your satisfaction is important to them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.